The animal kingdom's formation can be attributed to the errors of copy-paste in evolution's recipe book. Greetings everyone! Today we will be delving into a fascinating video topic that explores a groundbreaking study on the evolution of animal genes. This study uncovers the role of copy-paste errors in the development of the animal kingdom. Remarkably, researchers have discovered that ancestral genes were repurposed to serve specific functions in different body parts, such as the brain and reproductive tissues. These genetic modifications played a crucial role in the emergence of new traits and abilities across various animal species, underscoring the ever-changing nature of evolution. This study provides valuable insights into the complex process of genetic adaptation and specialization, which ultimately shapes the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So without further delay, let us embark on this captivating discussion. Emerging 700 million years in the past, an extraordinary being made its debut. By contemporary standards, it may not have possessed much aesthetic appeal, but this creature boasted distinct front and back ends, as well as a top and bottom. This groundbreaking adaptation established the fundamental blueprint that would eventually be inherited by the majority of sophisticated organisms, including humans. In the depths of the primordial oceans, an unassuming creature made its home, quietly navigating the sandy bottom. Little did it know that it would become the progenitor of a diverse array of organisms known as bilaterians, encompassing both vertebrates, such as fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, and invertebrates, including insects, arthropods, mollusks, worms, echinoderms, and countless others. A recent study conducted by researchers at the Centre for Genomic Regulation, CRG, in Barcelona, has revealed that over 7,000 sets of genes can be linked back to the most recent common ancestor of bilaterians. This comprehensive study analysed 20 different species, including humans, sharks, mayflies, centipedes, and octopuses. The remarkable findings have been published in the prestigious journal Nature, Ecology and Evolution. It is quite remarkable that approximately 50% of these ancestral genes have been repurposed by animals for specific functions in certain body parts, especially in the brain and reproductive tissues. These findings are unexpected, as ancient conserved genes typically serve essential roles that are required in multiple areas of the body. Upon further examination, the researchers discovered that a sequence of fortuitous errors, resembling a copy-paste phenomenon, played a crucial role in the evolution of bilaterians. One notable instance occurred in the early stages of vertebrate history, where a cluster of genes specific to different tissues emerged alongside two instances of complete genome duplication. This allowed animals to retain one copy for essential functions, while utilizing the second copy as a foundation for evolutionary advancements. Similar events transpiring at different levels of magnitude occurred consistently throughout the evolutionary lineage of bilaterians. According to Federica Mantica, a researcher at the Centre for Genomic Regulation, CRG, in Barcelona, our genes can be compared to an extensive collection of recipes that have the potential to be prepared in various ways, resulting in the creation or alteration of tissues and organs. Consider the scenario where you accidentally end up with two identical recipes for paella. While you can still enjoy the original recipe, evolution can modify the extra copy to produce a delicious risotto instead. Now envision the entire recipe book being duplicated not once but twice, and the endless possibilities it presents for evolution. The consequences of these ancient events, which occurred hundreds of millions of years ago, continue to shape the biology of most complex animals today. The study's researchers discovered numerous instances where the specialization of these ancient genes allowed for the emergence of new functions specific to certain tissues. One fascinating example is the Tesmin and TOOM genes, which share a common ancestor but have independently evolved to fulfill specialized roles in the testes of both vertebrates and insects. The significance of these genes is underscored by the fact that mutations or abnormalities in them can lead to disruptions in sperm production, ultimately impacting fertility in both mice and fruit flies. The development of intricate nervous systems was partially facilitated by the specialization of ancestral genes. In the case of vertebrates, the scientists discovered genes that are crucial for the creation of myelin sheaths, which are vital for the rapid transmission of nerve signals. Additionally, they pinpointed the presence of FGF17 in humans, a gene believed to have a significant impact on preserving cognitive abilities throughout the aging process. The specialization of certain genes in insects occurred in both muscles and the epidermis, enabling them to fly. Conversely, in the skin of octopuses, different genes became specialized in order to detect light stimuli, facilitating their capacity to change color, blend into their surroundings, and communicate with fellow octopuses. The examination of species evolution at the tissue level reveals that alterations in gene expression across different body parts have significantly influenced the emergence of distinct characteristics in animals. Put simply, when genes become active in particular tissues, it can result in the formation of novel physical attributes or capabilities, thereby driving the process of animal evolution. According to Manuel Irimia, a co-author of the paper and researcher at the Center for Genomic Regulation, our research prompts us to reconsider the roles and purposes of genes. It demonstrates that genes, which are essential for survival and have endured for countless years, can effortlessly adopt new functions during the course of evolution. This highlights the delicate equilibrium that evolution maintains by safeguarding crucial roles while simultaneously venturing into uncharted territories. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.